So here we have this tree on the side of the lava cliff, and it runs these roots down off of its branches. Those roots come down from about 20 feet high into these small little roots going down. They're super strong. Bunches of them coming down. You can see over the years they'll just get bigger and fatter. Then they can hold up that giant tree with no dirt, just hung off the lava. And then look in here, secret cave taken off back here. I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to see it. Wow, it's nice and cold air coming out of there. And then